Okay, today is Thursday, March 15th, 2012, and Alex looks like he has successfully removed the screen from my iPad 2.
You want to be very careful and not put
Spit in there. That's the old screen still attached, huh?
I'm going to take it off right now. Well, this, yeah, we cannot take this off until later. Free this little boy.
No, that's a piece of glass there.
I do it really carefully because
You need to heat it up.
yeah, but I don't want to touch the LCD. That does wonders for softening up the glue over here.
There's already a speck of dust in there. So.
Yeah, there's a few. I'm gonna get those out with tape. The problem is grabbing this thing right now.
That's the last part.
Yeah, I still gotta go through and get rid of all that, but that's no big deal.
Can you put the screen on top kind of like that just to have a shot of it?
Sure.
If you feel you're risking something, then don't do it.
Nah.
There, that's enough. That just shows us the extent of the...
How bad I left it? The thing is, you used it like this for like a day and a half.
Yeah, I actually used it like that. This item, this gadget is so amazing that it even works like that. What is that, the camera?
Yeah.
So you have to take that out of there, and
No, the camera itself is here.
so the new plate that we have,
Probably comes or doesn't. I don't know. I have to check.
that looks complex, man.
Nah, it's just a little thing. Just a little piece of. No. Okay. Well. I gotta do something here. Detach this and that.
Well, you let me know how you progress.
Well, I'm about to take off the LCD in case you want to see that.
Oh, really? Yeah. I guess I'll stick around for that.
It's amazing how glass can get. Isn't it fascinating?
Yes.
I'm gonna comb all of this away. Okay.
This is where the home button goes.
Scusi.
Oh, the little micro screws.
So that there Releases.
The LCD.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
So there it is. That is the LCD. That's where the magic happens. What?
Smells like apple.
The batteries?
Yeah, they have a certain smell about them. What I want to know.
Mm-hmm. So that's it.
I should have turned it off first.
What, the iPad?
Yeah, I haven't turned it off.
And?
It doesn't really matter, I guess. Maybe we'll just crash.
Wow.
I'm thinking about turning it off real quick, especially to do the change of the digitizer. Screw it.
You're gonna have to touch the screen though.
Yeah, it's no big deal. No, the screen doesn't have touchscreen. This has the touchscreen.
So you cannot control it?
Mm-mm.
Really? That's interesting.
So precise and pinpoint.
It's hard?
Very.
I don't think you need to turn it off.
No?
Nah.
You just get an email. You would be my hero if you could hold this.
Sure.
Just hold it in place there. It won't go anywhere. Just like that.